Another cold, beautiful, rainy day in Seattle. I love it. We're walking past the Museum of Pop Culture. Quite a sight. We're heading to Chihuly Garden and Glass. This museum houses the works of Dale Chihuly, master glass blower and artist. There is nothing else like this in the world. The pieces on this table are inspired by Native American blankets, and there's a beautiful wall. Room-sized pieces of twisted glass screaming with light. There are 8 galleries representing Chihuly's most significant works. This garden of glass is just amazing. 2 boats, one inspired by the glass buoys of Japanese fishing nets, and the other, the fireworks of a matsuri. The centerpiece of the Chihuly is the glass house with this 100-foot-long suspended piece of art. And outside, they're intricate, beautiful gardens filled with sculpture. And when you look up, you see the Space Needle. So let's go there. Built in 1962 for the World's Fair, the theme was the Age of Space. I think they nailed it. A $5 minimum for dinner in 1962? Pricey. Elvis came here, and Richard Nixon.
Equivalent to about 60 stories. Up top, you can go outside. There's a cafe, beer and wine bar. Head down the big staircase, you'll pass larger restrooms, and ultimately end up on the rotating glass floor level. That level will be where you exit from, so just keep that in mind.
The Space Needle is 605 feet tall, but the observation deck, which looks like a big flying saucer, is at 520 feet. Quite a view. "360-degree views, the beer and wine bar. Cheers." We came up to see the sunset, but being Seattle, it had some different ideas. Cloudy. But we did get to see the city come alive. There's an outdoor area on the second story of the observation deck where you can lean right up against the glass. Even the benches out there are made of glass. But downstairs is a revolving glass floor. When it was built, the lower deck was the revolving restaurant, but in 2018, they turned it into the world's only revolving glass floor. No thank you. Daddy no likey. That is one terrifying but great view. You can see the Chihuly Glass House right beneath you. Alright, fine. I'll give it a go. Psych! I am not going out there. Well, I made it out there eventually, but not for long. But it's too pretty to leave right away.
As we descend, you can see the Seattle Center campus, which is where the 1962 World's Fair happened, of which we were built for. Directly below us will be Chihuly Garden and Glass next door. As we reach the Space gift shop, restrooms will be to your left, monorail to the right.
If there's one thing you should get in Seattle on a cold, rainy day, it's ice cream. We're gonna head to the old Ballard neighborhood and get a late night snack at the Walrus and the Carpenter. The Walrus and the Carpenter walked on a mile or so, and they rested on a rock conveniently low, and all the little oysters stood and waited in a row. From Lewis Carroll. So we'll have some blue cheese and some bread, some pickled currants, and a little plate of oysters, all in a row. 6 different kinds, from sweetest to brainiest. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.